this is the Howdyz chicken burger review. Keen's gonna review whatever he orders, and we're just out here for support or whatever.
Bro, I was thinking smart. I was like, I'm leaving every trace of this evidence, man.
Guys, these are the confession tapes.
Imagine I go onto the QPAR website. You're just the main poster. Going like this.
First, crep check.
The bad boys, you gotta zoom in. You gotta do the chicken shop there. What's it called, man?
Chicken connoisseur. So these are the 97, 95 Air Force. Right, you know the real, because they've got the AF1, right?
From. Think how many subscribers we've got? We've got a fan channel. We're gonna do a food review today.